Hello, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to show you or teach you how to generate the prompts for photos that you like. Yes. For example, you are scrolling on the street of Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and you saw a photo that you like and you want to recreate that photo. What do you need to do? Just follow these steps. You don't need to bother the poster on the prompt that they used. All you need to do is to follow these simple steps that I'm going to teach you in this video. Some of you are not using ChatGPT enough. I don't know if you pity ChatGPT or you pity AI tools. No, you don't have to pity them. They are not humans. They are tools, and they are tools for you to use. Okay, so that's why I always tell you use AI tools to do the heavy lifting. When I mean heavy lifting, let them do the real part of the job. Okay, so your job is to save those photos. So if you see those photos that you like, first thing is save them. Yes, save them on your phone and then open your ChatGPT and do this. Let me take you through the steps. GPT. So on ChatGPT, I'm going to add that image that I found. So this is me adding the image now. So I'm gonna click on it and select. You have to add it one time, okay? One per time. So if you saw 3 images, don't add 3 at the same time, just add 1. And this is how I am going to ask ChatGPT this question. It says, acting as my prompt engineer. So tell it to act as your prompt engineer. Analyze this photo and generate the prompt that was used, because you want to create exactly what is in the photo. And then when you finish, send it in and wait for the result. Okay, let it generate. So give it time, do not rush it. So now that it has generated the prompt, it is optional if you want to use it or you want to make some editing. So but go to your Gemini and do your editing. So if you paste this prompt, change whatever you want to change, the lighting, the outfit, the backdrop, whatever you want to change. Okay, this is if you want the character to be standing instead of sitting, tell it to stand. If you want to change the color of the hair, anything you want to change, this is where you need to do it. So enhance or edit your prompt to whatever you like, and after that send it and wait. Let's see what we have. So this is my result. Okay, all the photos I showed earlier, I'm going to put them in the comments and all their prompts, so you don't have to ask people for their prompts. This is how to generate their prompts to use it as yours. I hope this video helps your prompt journey. Okay, thank you for watching.